Hello, second standard children. You are learning EVS. Chapter name will be travel. So, how you come to school? By bus, by car, by bicycle. These are the means of the transport. Okay. Now, what you are going to learn? You are going to learn in introduction means of transport. Before that, you are going to learn objectives. So, let's begin. What is the objective? At the end of this course, you will be able to list the various means of transport. After that, identify various ways through which transport occurs. See, transport. So, what are transport vehicles? We are going to learn that. That might be bicycle, bus, car, train, aeroplane. These are the transport vehicles. The movement of people and goods from one place to another is called what? Transport. Now we learned about transport and what all we use. So, means of transport, that is air transport, water transport, and land transport. These are the three means of transport, dear. After that, one by one, we are going to learn the transports. So let's begin. See, aeroplane where it flies in air, bus, car where it goes on road, railway on railway track, and a boat in water. Okay, dear. So let's see, cycle, bicycle, and this all where it travels on road, and train travels in railway track. Okay. So these are the means of the transports which we use for the transportation of roadways. These are roadways which go travels on the roads are known as roadways, which will help people for their convenience to travel from one place to another, and which is the maximally used by the people. All kinds of people will use this, and even the horse cart, bullock cart, this all comes under what? Roadways only. And when it comes to train, train will travel on what? Railway track, but also it comes in road only. They will build a railway track on which train will travel, dear. And that is known as railway track, dear. Now what you are going to learn? Water transport. Means of water transport. The water transports are transport which travels on water. See, waterways is known as water transport. See, some of them, see, you can see ship, boat. This all are traveling on what? That is traveling on water. See, lakes, rivers, and oceans are the water transports used. Air transport, what you are going to find there? Helicopter and aeroplane. These are the two things what will be traveling, and this is the mean of air transport. So air transport is actually very costliest transport used. They too have wings like the birds, which helps them to fly in the air. So summary of this chapter, what do you understood this? Let's summarize what we have learned here. One by one, we are going to look. The movement of people and goods from one place to another is called transport. Okay. Second point, what you are going to learn here? The different modes of transports are land, water, and air. After that, railway are the road tracks over which train runs with the help of wheels. Roadways are the roads used by vehicle to move on. Okay. The ways used to travel in water is called waterway. The way used to travel in air is called airway. Okay, dear. I have completed chapter. Thank you. Thank you, dear.